Wanted to tell you about a very cool trick that I have found is very useful when working with students who you want to have copying lots of documents and other files from you in Google Drive. This suggestion works for any Google file type, but I'm just showing you in Docs so you can see some examples and again, it transfers over just exactly the same. So any Google document or Google file has a fairly similar URL. When it is a document that you are in edit mode for, if you see this first URL as an example, you can see that it ends in the word edit. If it is a document that has that you are sharing through anyone with the link, or if you go up into share and you get a link from there, the thing that that one is going to have that's different is it's also going to add in equals sharing, and it will end with sharing. You'll notice that there's a question mark next to edit because not everybody will be editing it. In my view, I can edit it, but in someone else's, it might not be edit mode. Both of those are going to get me to the same place. However, if I'm someone who's not shared, the second one is the only one that will do anything for me, and that will show me a view only view of the document or file. So I want to show you what that looks like. This third one down here is one that I can only view. So I'm opening that up, and it opens it up with all of those menus and everything. So if I wanted to actually use this document, I have a couple of options. First, I can click on the View Only button and request access, but chances are that I don't want to do that. I just want to get my own version of it. So if you go up into File and make a copy, you will be able to make a copy of it that you can edit because you will be the owner of that particular copy. Keep in mind it won't be live, so other people won't see your changes. It will be a whole new file. However, that's how you can make a copy when you are looking at a document or file that's in view only mode. So let's say you are working with kids every day, and every day you want them to copy a document for you. What happens is it gets a little tedious to have to go through these extra steps. So there is an awesome shortcut that I wanted to show you. All you need to do is go up into your URL, and rather than having it link to edit, I'm just going to edit the whole thing. So you can see, type in the word copy. So to remove edit and type copy. So now I'm going to go into that in a new tab. And this is what it will look like. It will say, hey, you want to copy this thing? Well, sure, I'm a student. My teacher wants me to copy this. Make a copy, and it will automatically go straight into your copy in your drive, and you can move it around to whichever folder that you want to move it to just by clicking that Make a Copy button, which is a little bit quicker than having to go through the viewing and going up into File. It's not a huge deal, but it actually is a nice little time saver and a good procedure to set up when you're working with your kids, as well as other people who you might want to encourage to make a copy of a document as opposed to just looking at it. So that's my quick copy link trick, and again, you can use it in any Google Drive file type.